Looking for Vegas pro tips? You've come to the right place. Approximately 40 million people visit Las Vegas each year. It's one of the most visited cities in the world. Today, I'll be guiding Chris, a first-timer visiting Las Vegas.
It's my first time here in Las Vegas.
I'm your guide, the voice of Vegas, here to help you navigate this amazing city. Let's get it started. You know what time it is. It's recess time.
Just landed in Las Vegas for my first trip ever, and this is so cool. In the airport, they have slot machines. I'm ready to gamble on my first slot machine here at the airport.
Stop what you're doing.
Who's that?
Don't worry about that.
Why shouldn't I gamble in the airport?
Just trust me, I'm the voice of Vegas, and I'm gonna help you.
Are you sure? I really want to gamble.
You'll just have to wait.
All right, I guess let's get to the hotel. All right, time to grab my ride share to the hotel.
Stop what you're doing.
There's that voice again. Who are you?
You are so lucky I'm here. There are many transportation options from the airport, and rideshare may not be the best option.
Well, I've always heard that Uber and Lyft are the cheaper ways to go.
Just for fun, how much would an Uber cost you right now?
Dang, to the hotel? Because of surge pricing, it's saying it's gonna be like $40. That's expensive.
That's what I thought. Follow me.
Where are we going?
Head downstairs, I'll show you.
I don't know why I'm trusting this strange voice. Is it my conscience? I don't know. He seems to know what he's talking about though, so we're gonna go with it. All right, I'm downstairs. Where do I go now?
You'll need to go find the taxi line.
Ah, I think it's that way.
You've got this.
All right, mysterious voice. I'm at the taxis, now what?
Look at the signs. There are taxi flat rates to the strip.
Wow, that's way cheaper than the rideshare was gonna be. That's cool, so they're always this price?
The prices are set depending on the zone, depending on where you're headed.
All right, maybe I'll hop in a taxi. All right, the cab ride wasn't that bad. Got here pretty quick. But now that I'm in the hotel, now it's time to gamble, right?
Whoa, slow down. First you have to check in.
What do you mean? When am I gonna get to gamble?
What's your obsession with gambling?
So I guess I have to check in first. Let's go do that.
What type of room did you book?
I just got a standard room here at the Hilton.
Have you heard of the $20 trick?
$20 trick? Is that where you take $20 and turn it into $100 in the casino?
Again, we'll gamble later. No. $20 trick is when you take a $20 bill and sandwich it between your credit card and your ID. The goal here is to politely ask for a free upgrade.
Wow, and that works?
It can.
All right, well, we'll have to give it a shot.
He's finally getting it.
Wow, so the trick did work. Originally I was on a lower floor, but now I'm on 29. Ooh, this room is nice. Oh, look at all these cool goodies at the minibar.
Do not touch.
Wait, why can't I touch them?
Back away. Get back.
Do I have to pay for them or something?
Hands up, I don't trust you. That's the dreaded minibar. Do not touch. Everything is weighted. You touch one item, you will be charged. No one wants $9 Skittles.
$9? That's insane. All right, I'm not touching that. Wow, this room is so nice. I know I just got the basic room, but I'm still really impressed. Unfortunately, the hotel was sold out this weekend, so couldn't get upgraded to a different room, but they did get me to a higher floor, so the $20 trick worked. I'm on like the 29th floor and my view is amazing. Wow, I can see all the way to the stratosphere. And look, there's Circus Circus. Should I go there?
No.
Why not?
Not enough time to explain right now, but trust the voice of Vegas. We will not be going there.
Okay, well, I'll just look at it from here then, I guess.
Now, where did he go? He's not in here. Not in the bathroom. Chris? Oh, he's not in the lobby. Is he outside? No. What are you doing? No. Put that back. No. Put it back. Put it back.
All right, I know you said not to use the minibar, but the hotel has a store and it looks like there's waters and stuff in there.
Trust the voice of Vegas. I got you.
So no to the minibar and no to this store. Why not?
Well, everything in there is overpriced. You have to understand, you're here for a long trip, right?
All right, well, where should I go?
I'm gonna take you somewhere where you can load up for the whole trip.
All right, let's go.
So yeah, skip hotel prices. Grab what you need at CVS or Walgreens, found all along the Las Vegas Strip.
All right, we're outside of the hotel now. Where are you taking me?
Just trust me, I haven't let you down yet, right? I got your back.
All right, I'll trust you. It's not Denny's, is it?
No, not Denny's.
All right, keep walking. Oh, duh, it's Walgreens. Why didn't I think of that?
Well, that's why you have me, the voice of Vegas. Walgreens and other stores like it have so much to offer, great prices and a wide selection of snacks.
Man, Walgreens has everything, and it's so cheap. Water, you can get a whole case here for like $4. In the store, one water was like $8.
Exactly. With a wide variety of items to choose from, you can load up for your Vegas vacation.
All right, got the goods. Now let's go back to the hotel.
He makes it seem like it was his idea. You're welcome. Most of these stores are about a 5 to 10 minute walk depending on where you're at on the Las Vegas Strip.
Okay, got to the hotel, got my room. I even changed clothes. Now can I gamble?
No, not quite. There's still a few more steps to go. Don't throw up your hands.
What do you mean there's another step before I have to gamble?
Well, if you would listen, we gotta go get you a player's card so you can start earning comps.
All right, what do I need to do?
Well, let's go sign you up for a player's card.
Let's go do that.
I could use less attitude. If you're hitting the casino, don't skip the player's card. It's your key to earning comps every time you gamble, dine, or shop. Rack up points and turn them into free slot play, comped rooms, and even resort credits for food, drinks, and more. Whether you're spending big or just having fun, those points add up fast. So swipe that card because the more you play, the more Vegas pays.
Dang, you can use your rewards card for all of that? I thought it was just for gambling. Man, I need to earn as many points as I can to level up. All right, rewards card secured. Now I can gamble.
Yes, you've earned it. You can gamble.
Yes. All right, now we can go gamble.
Oh no. Here we go.
Ooh, I think I might play this one. Look, this is about to pop. Isn't that good?
Now you want to be careful. That's a perceived progression.
What does that mean?
Perceived progression slots look like you're close to winning, but it's just a trick. Don't chase the screen. It's all random, just like us.
So you're telling me they just do this to try to get you to play the game?
That's right.
Clever, clever. I see what you're doing, casinos. This still looks like a fun game, though.
They're fun, but gamble responsibly.
All right, you've helped me a lot so far before I've even started to gamble. So I guess my next question is there a certain machine that I should play?
The casino has so many different games. Go with what's gonna make you happy. At the end of the day, you're not gonna really win, or at least don't expect to win, and gamble with money that you're okay losing.
All right, the money's in, my card is in, I'm ready to go. Let's start gambling. Hey, this is fun, but I haven't won anything yet.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute that he thinks he was gonna win.
Hey, this is so much fun, but you're definitely gonna lose more than you win, right?
It's adorable. He thought he was gonna win.
So I guess it is smart to not gamble with money that you can't afford to lose, right?
That's right. That's right. I am so proud of you. Just walk away. Just walk away right now.
All right, I'm tired of losing money. Gambling is only fun when you win, right? But now I'm kind of hungry. Is there any good food to eat here? I found Wally's. I think I remember seeing this on Random Recess. They did a whole entire review on it. But it looks kind of expensive for me right now. I'm not trying to spend $4 signs. As a matter of fact, most of these restaurants in here look really expensive.
Well, they are.
Are there any affordable options here in Las Vegas?
Absolutely. I'm gonna grant you snapping powers so we can explore the city and find some good food.
What's snapping powers?
The snap of your finger, you'll be transported to another location with great food options. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it.
All right, so you're gonna take me to more affordable food options. That doesn't mean you're gonna take me to McDonald's, does it?
Da 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 da.
Okay, so I just snap my fingers?
Exactly.
Whoa, where am I?
We're in a celebrity food hall at Caesar's Palace.
What's a food hall?
It's a collection of restaurants with so many different options from different cuisines.
It looks like I'm inside Caesar's Palace.
Yes, we already established that.
Is this the only food hall in Las Vegas?
Definitely not, but explore this one. There are a lot of great options.
Wow, this food hall is so cool. There's so many different options from chefs like Guy Fieri, Esther Choi, Bobby Flay, Buddy V. This is amazing. But I want to see what other food halls there are.
Well, snap your fingers, you have the power. There we go.
Okay, I get it. Food halls are awesome. We've been to so many of them. But are there any other places where I can get affordable eats here in Vegas?
Absolutely. Vegas has so much to offer for every budget type. Trust me. Again, you've got the snapping powers, my friend.
All right, let's go. Wait a minute. I thought you said you weren't going to take me to fast food. This is Taco Bell.
It's no ordinary Taco Bell. 2 stories and you could get married here.
You're telling me you can get married inside a Taco Bell?
I just said that.
Wow, I'm gonna have to explore. Oh my God, I think I see frozen Baja Blast with alcohol. That's crazy. Not only did I get a drink, I got an alcoholic Baja Blast with vodka. You can have vodka, tequila, rum, whatever you want. You can add extra shots. Who's the genius that thought this up? And it's affordable. This was like way less than $20.
I'm gonna take credit. I'm the genius. Time lapse the next day.
All right, I am so ready to go out and start walking the strip. I really want to go see New York, New York. It's right there. I can see it out my window. I just got to get my shoes on first.
What are you wearing? You can't wear Crocs.
I'm putting on my Crocs, my shoes. Hello.
Las Vegas is too big. The strip alone is like 5 miles.
Says who?
Me, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna get blisters. You need to put on regular shoes.
New York, New York. It's literally right there. I can see it.
The Las Vegas Strip is flat and these buildings are massive. It looks like it's close, but trust me, it's not.
So is it really that far?
You'll walk anywhere between 10 to 20,000 steps a day. I'm warning you.
10 to 20,000 steps a day? That's insane. I don't even do 5,000 at home.
That's the problem. We'll work on that later.
Okay, fine. I'll put on tennis shoes. I'm glad I brought both.
Me too. Also, it's not a big deal.
All right, I'm ready to go now. Now can I go outside?
Finally, yes. Let's get out of here.
Hey, so I was walking into this hotel and casino and I got approached by these really nice people right behind me that said I could get like free hotel stays or even free dinners if I just sat through like a little presentation. It seems worth it. Should I do it?
No, that is a waste of time. It's a timeshare.
Why?
Well, first of all, you can't afford it because you don't even meet the minimum criteria. It's just not worth your time and effort.
Why did you just call me poor?
Hey, it is what it is. What are you gonna do?
They almost got me.
Hey, it happens, but we don't have time. There's so much to do in Las Vegas. You don't need that.
I have better things to do in Las Vegas.
I just said that.
Look, it's Darth Vader behind me. Should I go get a picture with him?
No, I don't think so. Let's not do that.
Why not?
Well, you have to tip them, and at this point, you don't have any cash on you, and it just becomes a whole thing, okay?
You mean I can't just go up and take my picture for free? But I can do that at like Disney World?
Well, Vegas is Disney for adults, but this is not Disney.
All right, so only take pictures if you're prepared to tip. Got it. It's gonna cost money to take pictures with them. Should I negotiate the price beforehand?
Yes, that is definitely a pro tip. Look at you coming up with these tips. Very intuitive. I'm very happy with you.
That's a great tip. And you know what? Maybe later, but I'll save that money for gambling inside. Man, Las Vegas is really expensive. You have to pay for everything. Is there anything to do here that's free?
There's a lot to do that's free. Look behind you. Look.
What, this giant lake?
Yes, that's Lake Bellagio, one of the most iconic places in all of Las Vegas.
I don't know, it doesn't look like there's a lot going on right there.
Trust me, this is one of the best free things to do in Las Vegas.
All right, when exactly is this supposed to start? We've been waiting here for a little bit.
Well, times vary depending on weekend or weekday, but essentially every 30 minutes during the day and every 15 at night.
All right, well, hopefully it starts soon. Whoa, this is so cool. Look at this.
Truly iconic. There's still so many free things to see and do in Las Vegas. Let's get on it.
Well, just wandering around, I found another cool free thing. Here at the Flamingo, they have actual flamingos. Did you know that? And this is completely free. That's so cool. Just one more cool free thing to do here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna go check out these birds.
Right? Isn't it great?
So that being said, do you think that there's actual Caesars inside Caesar's palace?
Ugh, no. Stop it, stop it.
We're gonna go find out.
Ugh, fine.
All right, so I'm at Aria, and I gotta get back to the Bellagio, but I don't wanna walk. Is there another way to get there other than rideshare?
Yes, there actually is. There's a monorail. In fact, it's right there behind you.
Oh, there is. There's a tram. How much does that cost?
It's actually free. It's free because you've paid all of those wonderful resort fees.
It's free? What's the catch?
No catch. The hotels want you to stay on their property, so it's free.
That's true. All right, lead the way. Which way do I go?
That way. Just head inside of Aria. Once inside, just head up the escalators, follow the signs for the tram. I am so proud. Yes, follow those signs.
All right, I think I'm headed in the right direction.
When this tram is operational, it's free for everyone. It connects Park MGM, Bellagio, Aria, and Crystal's Mall. This is a great way to get around Las Vegas. This is a great free option available to everybody. It's gonna save you steps and money.
All right, and just like that, we made it to the Bellagio. That was super quick and convenient. Thanks for giving me that tip. Okay, the fountains were pretty cool, but what else is there to do that's for free here at the Bellagio?
Look, just look behind you. See?
Whoa,
Right? Isn't it?
that's pretty cool. We can just go in there?
Yes, it's the Bellagio Conservatory, open 24 hours a day. It's free for everyone, and it changes 5 times a year.
Well, we gotta go in there and tour it. Are all those flowers alive in there? Are those real? Wow, this is so impressive in here. It's gorgeous, but it is a little bit crowded. It seems to be super popular. You said it was open all day, 24 hours?
That's right. I did say that.
So if I came back at 4 in the morning, I could come in here?
You're thinking, you're learning, I like it.
Well, that sounds like the pro tip right there. Come in the off period.
A few moments later, we are heading off to more fun. The voice of Vegas compels you to like and subscribe this video. Come on, join in on the fun.
You know what? I think I want to start gambling and I want to drink.
Oh yeah?
That voice told me something about getting free drinks while I gamble. What did they say though?
Do you need a reminder? Come on, you were doing so well. Do you need one?
What do I need to do? Do I just start gambling?
You got it. Just gamble and they'll come around.
All right, we'll see.
Well, do you want to play that?
So I literally just sit and wait for them to come around?
Well, you have to actually play.
Okay, so I'll make sure to play. I don't know if I want to play this game. Let me go find a game that I do want to play. Oh yeah, can I get a Jack Daniels on the rocks, please? This is for you. All right, so I've been sitting here only gambling for a little bit, and I actually tipped before she brought the drink when she got the order, and I got my drink so fast. So maybe that's a pro tip. Tip before when they take the order, and they know that you're gonna tip. But either way, I got my free drink. I'm playing. If I can afford to gamble, I can afford to throw $5 toward the drink.
Wow, your own pro tips. I'm so proud. Hey, are you ready to take on Vegas?
I'm ready.
How do you feel now that you have all of these pro tips? You're a pro.
I think I can take on Las Vegas. I'm ready. Let's do this.
And just like that, Chris was never seen again. I'm just kidding. He had so much fun because he followed these pro tips. Like, subscribe, share, join our YouTube memberships. We hope you enjoyed this fun Vegas pro tips video. Leave us questions in the comments. Follow these tips and tricks, and just remember to live life one recess at a time.